Downright YouTube, welcome back. Process for Profits, all service business, all success. Got the sun in my eyes. I just drove cross country to come check out some properties. I know it's been a while since I've made a video for you guys, but let me tell you about what's been going on. So the cleaning company is currently in an M&A situation. What that means is that we're looking to be acquired. So that's been a situation, and I know a lot of you may be asking, why would I sell a cash flowing business? Well, because I don't just have that one business that I own and operate. I also invest in real estate, hence the reason I traveled across country to come check on some things. Also, I'm going to be checking on the business. I haven't been anywhere near the business since May, so I want to check in on it. I want to meet with the business broker as well and go over some things. The main thing I wanted to talk about in this video is the fact that driving through 5 or 6 states from Las Vegas back to the East Coast is that the amount of construction that I've seen in all of these states is ridiculous. The amount of money that you guys are missing or passing up on is ridiculous because no one's out here making an effort to make more money. The more people you serve, the more money you will make. So if you're in Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, they're building all over hotels, senior living, active senior communities, apartments, houses, warehouses, businesses, you name it, they're building. And guess what, guys? This ozone thing is going to be great for cleaning companies because they're building tremendously. Why? Because they get a tax break in 10 years. So what you have to do is take that time, take the opportunity, you see it, go ask for the money. All they're going to tell you is, yes, no, we have cleaners, call this number, go talk to them. They're not going to beat you up. They're not going to kick your ass. They're not going to tell you get the hell off their site. 9 times out of 10, they're going to need you. All cleaners aren't created equal. And 9 times out of 10, these people have a lot of sites going on, and one cleaning company can't hold it. So just like a framer, an electrician, a plumber, they need multiple cleaners to help. So what I want from you guys is to take the opportunity to go get paid. And if you want to skip all the steps in the middle, stay on the lookout. The Process for Profits playbook for construction cleaning or any cleaning business is coming. I've been working on that too. So between the M&A, real estate, working on the course, consulting, it's been busy, guys. It's getting to the wintertime. Everybody understand that money is an issue. If you got kids, you got presents, you got spouses, you got all of that. Vacations, holidays. So now is the time. Take the time now to build what no one else is building because they're focused on the holidays. And I guarantee you will not have no problems getting paid, eating, doing anything in 2020. All right? So I'm signing off. Probably shoot another video of some of these houses that I'm going to look at. Rental properties, buy and hold, maybe a flip. But more than anything, cash flow is king. So if I'm going to get rid of this cleaning company that's bringing me cash flow, I got to get some more though. I'll talk to you guys later. Signing off. Peace.